BatchLeads is a comprehensive real estate data platform designed specifically for identifying cash buyers and generating quality leads for real estate professionals. Cash buyers are real estate investors who purchase properties using liquid capital rather than financing. They can close deals quickly and often buy properties in any condition, making them extremely valuable to wholesalers and real estate agents. The key to finding cash buyers in batch leads lies in using the platform's advanced filtering system. These filters allow you to narrow down your search to identify the most qualified prospects. Start with the cash purchase history filter to find properties that were bought without mortgage financing. This immediately identifies investors who have the capital to make cash purchases. Refine your search further by setting purchase price ranges to target investors within specific budget levels, and use transaction frequency to find repeat buyers who regularly purchase multiple properties. Target business entities by filtering for LLC or corporate ownership, and identify out-of-state investors who often have more capital and are willing to pay cash for properties sight unseen. Use geographic filters to focus on specific markets, cities, or zip codes where you have deals available. You can also filter by market conditions and property types to match investor preferences. Once you've refined your search using these filters, BatchLeads provides powerful export capabilities to get your cash buyer data into a usable format for outreach campaigns. You can export comprehensive contact information, including names, phone numbers, email addresses, and mailing addresses. The system also provides detailed property information such as purchase history, transaction dates, and investment patterns. BatchLeads offers multiple export formats to fit your workflow. Export to CSV files for easy CRM integration, Excel spreadsheets for manual management, or use direct CRM integration with popular platforms to automatically sync your cash buyer lists. With BatchLeads filtering and export capabilities, you can efficiently build targeted cash buyer lists that match your specific investment opportunities and market focus. Effective cash buyer outreach requires a strategic multi-channel approach. Success comes from combining direct mail, email marketing, cold calling, and text messaging to maximize your reach and response rates. Direct mail remains one of the most effective channels for reaching cash buyers. Physical mailers have higher response rates than digital channels and can't be easily ignored like emails or texts. Email marketing allows for automated sequences and personalized messaging at scale. A well-crafted welcome sequence can nurture leads and build relationships with potential cash buyers over time. Cold calling provides immediate, personal connection with cash buyers. A structured process with clear expectations and proper tools can significantly improve your success rates and build valuable relationships. Text messaging offers immediate delivery and high open rates. However, it requires careful compliance with regulations and should be used strategically as part of your overall outreach mix. Quality trumps quantity when building cash buyer lists. Segment your lists by investment type, price range, geographic focus, and activity level to create highly targeted campaigns that resonate with specific buyer personas. Compliance is critical for sustainable outreach. Follow Do Not Call registry requirements, Can Spam Act guidelines, and state-specific regulations. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines and damage your reputation. Personalization dramatically improves response rates. Reference their previous purchases, share relevant local market insights, and match deal opportunities to their specific buying patterns and investment criteria. Successful cash buyer outreach combines multiple channels, maintains compliance, and focuses on building relationships through personalized, value-driven communication. Quality targeting and consistent follow-up are key to converting prospects into active buyers.